What is up, guys, and welcome to today's video. Has Will Tennyson completely lost his mind? I just watched his new video and he made oatmeal pizza. I have to give this a try, so that's what we're doing in today's video. I hope you enjoy this one. Let's get to the recipe. Let's quickly go over all the ingredients. We are going to use a half a cup of chicken stock, half a cup of Quaker oats, half a cup of tomato sauce, 30 grams of mozzarella cheese. I'm using partially low fat. I did not have the low fat that he used, but the macros should be similar, and we'll go over that at the end. We're going to also use black pepper, sea salt, garlic, and oregano as our seasonings to taste. We're also going to top it off with 4 turkey sausages. In Will's recipe, he used 10 slices of turkey pepperoni. I did not have that, so I am using 4 turkey sausages, and the macros are pretty much exactly the same. Again, we will go over the macros and the calories at the end of this video. These are quick 1-minute oats, so you're going to reduce these down or cook them for about 1 minute over medium heat, stirring frequently until you get to the desired consistency. Almost done. Then about a minute. I did let the oats go for about 2 to 3 minutes. I want it to get a little bit thicker since this is our crust. So at this point, we're going to season with our oregano, garlic, salt, and pepper. Now we have our greased pan. We have a sheet pan here with some aluminum foil, and then I just sprayed it with some olive oil spray. We're going to take our crust and just plop it down in the middle and start building our pizza. Now that we have it all mounded up here, we're just going to slightly just press it down, make it into a nice little circle. Next up, we have our mozzarella cheese, half a cup. We're gonna sprinkle that all on like so, and then put our turkey sausages on top of that. Here's what she looks like, ready to go under the broiler until the cheese is melted and browned up. Well, here you have it. I did end up putting it back in the oven on 425 for 10 minutes because it wasn't firming up. I think this is definitely supposed to be eaten with a fork and knife. It's gonna be hard to pick it up, but you can see by putting it back in the oven, it does get a little bit firmer, or you can just broil it like he did, just to melt the cheese. Everything's cooked and it's ready to go. So let's give this a try. All right, well, here we go. First time trying out our oatmeal pizza. Sounds crazy. And you could probably pick it up. It's a little bit, let's try it. Let's give this a try. Let's try and pick it up. Maybe not. All right. All right. Well, you know what? That is pretty good. Gotta say, you did it. As bizarre as this recipe sounds, it is definitely gonna be a keeper for me. Normally, as you know, on this channel, we do low carb keto. Lately, I've been doing targeted keto, so I'm structuring my carbohydrates around my workouts. I just finished a 20-mile fasted bike ride, so I can have the 50 grams of carbs that are in this entire meal. So speaking of that, let's go over the calories and macros for this meal. We are looking at 432 calories. That's it. Very low calorie, perfect diet hack. We are looking at, again, 50 grams of carbohydrate. We're looking at only 15 grams of fat and 26 grams of protein. So at 432 calories, you can definitely fit this into any diet. Just like I've always said, whatever diet you're gonna be able to do consistently. that is the one that you can stick to. That is the one that you will have great success with. So if you guys like this video, this is a new kind of style of videos that I've never done anything like this. Will Tennyson is my absolute favorite YouTuber, so I figured let's try this out. I saw this recipe today. It sounded bizarre. I just had to give it a try. He has not lost his mind. This actually is really pretty good. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. All right, guys. Comment below if you want me to do more videos like this, or maybe a celebrity day in the diet. Let's mix it up a little bit. Let me know in the comments below. Smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Remember, consistency is the king. Always remember to rock and roll.